Welcome to our channel. In this must-try recipe video, we present to you a delicious and satisfying dish, savory kale and potato delight. If you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful meal, our kale and potato recipe is the perfect choice. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and bursting with flavors, this dish will surely become a family favorite. Our step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the whole cooking process, ensuring that you achieve the perfect balance of flavors and textures. From preparing the fresh ingredients to adding the final touches, we'll cover it all. The star of this recipe is kale, a nutrient-dense green leafy vegetable that offers a multitude of health benefits. Combined with seasoned potatoes, this dish becomes a delightful medley of taste and nutrition. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our detailed instructions will make it easy for you to recreate this spectacular dish. Impress your loved ones with our kale and potato recipe, suitable for any occasion. Not only is this recipe incredibly delicious, but it's also budget-friendly and time-efficient. With simple ingredients that are readily available, you can whip up this savory dish in no time. Are you looking to incorporate more wholesome and plant-based meals into your diet? Our kale and potato recipe is a fantastic choice. It's a hearty and satisfying option that both vegans and non-vegans will adore. Join us in our cooking adventure and give this amazing recipe a try. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we explore a wide range of delectable dishes to satisfy all cravings. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your apron, prepare your cooking utensils, and let's get started on this incredible kale and potato delight recipe. Your taste buds will thank you. Today, we are excited to share with you a delicious recipe that combines the goodness of kale and potatoes, a savory delight that you must try. So let's get started. First, we'll need fresh kale leaves and some potatoes. Wash the kale thoroughly and remove the tough stems, then chop them into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Next, peel the potatoes and dice them into small cubes. Place them in a pot with enough water to cover them and bring it to a boil. Let them cook until they are tender and then drain the water. Now, in a large pan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Then add the chopped kale and sauté it for a few minutes until it wilts. Once the kale is cooked, add the cooked potatoes and seasonings like salt, black pepper, and any other spices you prefer. Give it a good toss, making sure everything is well coated. For an extra flavor boost, you can also add some grated Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast. Let it cook for a few more minutes until the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a mouth-watering kale and potato delight that is bursting with nutritious goodness and flavor. It's a great side dish or even a light meal on its own. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!